Welcome everyone. If sin square theta plus sin theta that is equal to 1, then prove that cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. To solve this question, first consider given equation, that is sin square theta plus sin theta plus sin theta that is equal to 1. See here what is to prove. There is cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But in given equation, sin square theta plus sin theta is equal to 1. So we have to convert sin in terms of cos. To do so, first we write sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. As we know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin theta that is equal to, as per formula, cos square theta. See, in probable equation there is cos to the power 4. So to get cos to the power 4 theta, squaring both sides, sin square theta, whenever it will be squared, cos to the power 4 theta. Within third bracket writing squaring both sides. Now again writing sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta that is equal to cos to the power 4 theta, or 1 is equal to cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta. We know if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. That means right hand side writing to the left hand side, cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to left hand side is written to the right hand side is equal to 1. Hence, therefore, cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta that is equal to 1 is proved. If you are benefited by watching this video, you should share your friends. If any problem, you should write comments. Thank you.